Belly, you're supposed to keep the chickens safe. And that means watching them when they go into the woods. Of course, this is where all the ticks are. So our black Marines like to come over here and get their grubs on. What y'all doing, little flaquitos? You little pachito quilitos? You gotta keep looking up, Belly. That's where the predators are. Being a shepherd takes all kinds of patience and courage. To keep your flock safe, it takes a lot of time. Or a couple of really good guard dogs to keep the flock in point. And some guineas. These guys are in training right here.